the next Cup semi-finals. It's Wesley College taking on Lumbini College. Wesley taking on Lumbini College. 14 minutes between these two teams and a place in the...
And it's Wesley College that have opted for the scrum of that previous penalty.
Set. Steady.
What can they make of this Wadood with the feed? Probably the most experienced man in this Wesley lineup. Creates a lovely wraparound, and here's Shafran Wadood gets the offload in, and try time for Wesley College. We're just talking about the experienced man, and he's gone and created something, and it's Fernando with all the possession going their way as well. And the conversion is through from an acute angle. It's brilliant from...
Secured it from the line out. Maul set up. Set move play here from Wesley College. This is a good break. Rodrigo with the break for Wesley College. What can they do here? Wesley, can they get another try? Passes it out to Fernando, and that's going to be the second score for Wesley College and second score for Fernando.
For most of that half, isn't it, Abid? Only had that one real phase of possession. It's a great platform. It's a great hallmark for to identify the future stars of the school's rugby circuit here in Sri Lanka. But yes, take nothing away from Lumbini College as well, as they've collected twist and turn for the line.
Ruck ball.
Need to fish the ball out of that ruck. Quick ball was needed, and now they go to the line. Here's Akesh Ryan, swings it out, but that pass goes to absolutely no one. And the Lumbini defense is there to pounce. But that's good support in play from Wesley College. And here's Tuan with the chip over the top. Will the bounce be kind? No, it's swept up by Lakshan Pereira. And that was an important spot tackle there coming in from Shibli for Wesley College. Or else we might have seen another length of the field try from Lakshan.
He's placing wrong side.
It's Wesley College now that have managed to turn things over as well. Here's Tuan,
Play on.
pops it up. And that is the try for Wesley College coming through.
It's going backwards.
Shibli. That pass did look a bit forward. And the referee confirming the try with his assistance. And the conversion doesn't go through, but that doesn't matter because Wesley College are through to the finals at the under-16 10-a-side schools minutes. And it's Wesley College, as you see on the bottom of your screen there, 17-0 victory that booked themselves a place in the cup final.